Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen and welcome to part 2 of Get to Know Jon Renau. Now, on my part 1 of this series, I will link it below if you haven't seen it. I showed a lot of really short Jon Renau wigs. Well, this time I want to show you a few longer styles and some different colors, of course. I either purchased all these wigs with my own funds or they were supplied to me by Wig Studio One, but all of these wigs came from wigstudio1.com. Okay, let's get started and get to know Jon Renau, part 2. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. This was so much fun to make. Again, if you'll look in the drop down box below this video, you'll see links to all of the reviews I have of these wigs. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit that notification button so you get notification every time I upload a video. Thanks so much. Leave me lots of comments. I hope you enjoy these kind of videos. I really enjoy making them, where I show you one brand in a lot of different styles and colors. So be sure to leave me some comments. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.